Previously in this series, we talked about investing in stocks, bonds, and precious metals. In this video, we will continue exploring different investment options and explore investing in real estate and lands allocated for agriculture or industrial businesses. Real estate investment. In this type of investment, you buy a house or an apartment. Most people get attracted to this type of investment because they believe that it's good for financial value preservation. However, it's not actually true because the value of real estate assets is volatile and depends a lot on the economic situation of the country where you're investing in. The advantage of investing in this area is that you can get a regular income by renting your property. However, most of the time you will need to manage everything by yourself, such as carefully selecting tenants, all legal issues, and property maintenance. So, after all, it's a time-demanding job. It's not an investment that generates passive income. Besides, buying a house in most cases needs a high capital. So, if you have a small amount of money, you can't simply invest it by buying a house. Land and farm investment. Investing by buying a farm or land is an attractive option. Owning a farm or land and renting it is a quite good investment. It generates a regular income and doesn't require from the landlord to invest a lot of time and effort, such as in the case with real estate units, even though it still needs time dedication to follow up with the lessee. Land also is a good asset for value preservation. It has low volatility compared to real estate. Despite the option of land investment being safer compared to ETFs and real estate, the return on investment is not high enough after all, unless you own a large plot of land. Besides, in most cases, buying land suitable for farming or any other business type requires a high capital, so it will not be a practical option for investors from different classes, such as individuals with low or middle income level. With that said, we come to the end of our video. If you liked it, press like, share with your network, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in future content. This will help us to grow and provide more professional content that helps you to be a better opportunity hunter and super smart investor. Oh, don't also forget to activate the bell icon so you'll get notified with our new content.